We've created a habit tracker and we want to add a column every single day to this sheet. So we could come to the sheet, control right click, insert one column to the right, and we just have to put in the day 3/8 here, and we have all of our drop downs that we can select. But what if we want to do that automatically? Let's delete that column and put it in with AppScript. Go up to extensions AppScript. Here we'll have a function, my function. We'll call this add column, and we want spreadsheet app dot get active sheet insert column after. Which one? Well, we'll put it after the last column. Where do we get the last column? We'll do variable last column equals spreadsheet app dot get active sheet get last column. And then we need to enter the date into the header. So we'll do spreadsheet app dot get active sheet get range. We know we're in the first row and we know we're in the last column +1, and we'll do dot set value new date. And new date is very specific syntax. It has a capital D and parentheses after date. We'll save this, and now let's go back to our sheet, look at it. We don't have today's date. If we just hit run here, after we authorize it and everything, we have our new column. So how do we do this automatically? Go over to the left side, click triggers. On the bottom right, click add trigger. We'll choose which function to run. If you have multiple functions here, we have to choose it from a drop-down list, but right now it's just add column. Instead of event stores from spreadsheet, we'll do time driven, and we'll change it from hour to day timer, and we'll run it, let's say, between 5 and 6 a.m. in the morning. Click save, and now every single day, this function will run, and it'll add a column automatically. Hope you enjoyed that. If you're looking to get more out of Google Sheets, do more in Google Sheets, do more automations, subscribe here to Better Sheets here on YouTube, right here, right now.